How is it going? We are working on a kind of a weird project right now. We're working on a DIY engine cradle. Stand, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it is for shipping or storing engines. It's a super basic system, just basically wood that we had laying around. We are going to show you guys how to make one of these to make life a little easier for yourself as you go. Describe it.
No, we know. We should put this to that first.
Oh, yeah.
You know, but if we're gonna screw through there, that won't matter. This is gonna hold it the most anyway. Oh.
And this is the one we ended up with. So this one we had just leftover 2x6s and some plywood and just went with that. But the template we used came off of this. This is one we got from a friend of ours. Dude, it is a real lifesaver. So if this made your life a little easier, please subscribe for more tips like this. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.